No, but
when we agree with the fact that this order is unconstitutional.
No, but that's what exactly I'm trying to. I began by asking you, why did he not go through the Lieutenant Governor rule? If he was so committed to take it up, why not go through a proper channel? What was the hurry?
No, even it could be immediately done there also.
Yes, please. Yes, go ahead.
Sorry?
Archie, go ahead with your answer.
Yeah, I thought the gentleman said something.
Simply, I'm asking you, why did Arvind Kejriwal not go through Lieutenant Governor route? What was the hurry?
Because there is a provision under the NCT Act that you can table the bill and thereafter take permission from the LG. And you have to realize, while the LG is clearly is a highly respected gentleman, surely he is under a lot of pressure from the Congress. How can they let the bill be passed when all the Commonwealth Games files are under scrutiny by the Delhi government? How can the BJP let the bill be passed when all the municipal corporation files are under scrutiny by the Delhi government?
Okay, fine. So that's how you explain. You seem to have really done your homework as far as the facts and figures, why you chose to go that route. But now there are questions which are being asked by the people, of course. Drama at the end of the day in the House and delivery. You could not even last for 2 months. Whatever the promises that were made to the people, that's why they voted you.
Actually, if you see the record of the Delhi government in the past 30 days...
No, I'm not talking about Delhi government's record. I want to know. Let's stick to what AAP has done. Let's stick to AAP's report card. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying, that in the past 40 days, the government has done far more than what most other governments do in this short period of time. Number one. Number two, one of the most important poll promise of ours was the Jan Lokpal bill, because we have fought the election on an anti-corruption plank. We are not just here to form